Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we will learn how to do descriptive statistics using eViews, a powerful statistical software. So let's get started. Before using eViews, let's quickly review what descriptive statistics are and why they are essential in data analysis. Descriptive statistics help us summarize and describe the main feature of a dataset. Now let's see how eViews can make this process even more efficient. The first step in any analysis is importing your data. As you already learned in our previous video about importing of data in eViews. So let's load sample dataset to work with. So this is the command window. Click on File, Open, Foreign data as work file. So choose your file where you have saved it. This is my file. I will open this file and I will click on next. This is just a description and other information about the data, and I will click on finish. So you can see this is work file in eViews where C is for constant, ER is exchange rate, GDP is our dependent variable, INF is other variable inflation rate, IR is the interest rate, RESID is the residual, and this is the year. Now you can select your variable first by pressing Ctrl button and then click on your variable. Like here, our variables are GDP, inflation rate, exchange rate, interest rate. Choose these together and right click on that. Later open them all as group. Now you can see that our all data is open in one file. Now if you want to calculate descriptive statistics for this particular data set, you have to click on View, then Descriptive Statistics, Common Sample, click on it. Now see, this is the work file which is showing the descriptive statistics for this data set for our four variables, that is GDP, inflation rate, exchange rate, interest rate. In this output, you can see eViews offer a range of descriptive statistics functions that make your analysis more understanding, like mean, which is the average value of dataset, maximum represents the largest value of each variable in the dataset, minimum is the smallest value in the dataset, standard deviation is the deviation of mean value, skewness and kurtosis is the represents the shape of the distribution. Then we also have Jark-Bira, probability, sum of square deviation, and observation represents the total number of observation in our dataset. So like this way you can calculate the descriptive statistics of your dataset. It is actually the summary measure of dataset which describes the measure of central tendency as well as measure of dispersion in our dataset. So this is the first step. You can check the summary of your data. So this is how in just one click you can find out the descriptive statistics or summary measure of your data using eViews. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question or topic you would like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.